एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अब हम बात करेंगे करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द चार्ज्ड बॉडी। तो शुरू करते हैं वीडियो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द कैरोड। द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज ऑलवेज हेल्ड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट। जो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज होता है हमेशा जो है सरफेस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट पर ही होल्ड किया जाता है। तो जो चार्ज्ड बॉडी होती है may be regarded as striving continually to regain its neutral state, and it is from the surface that access the electron can be lost. Similarly, if the charge is positive, it is the surface atoms that are deficient in electrons, as it is these atoms which can most easily gain more electrons. The charge tend to concentrate where the curative of the surface is greatest. It's suppressed evenly over a sphere but concentrate at the edge and the corner of the flat plate. Then we will talk about the behavior of the like and unlike charges. Objects with like charges repel each other. Those with unlike charges attract each other. If the hair is brushed vigorously on a dry day, it crackles on the electric charge being produced by the friction between the hair and the brush, and the individual hair fly apart as they all have the same charge. A silk dress and a nylon petticoat tend to stick together as friction between the two different materials given them unlike electric charges. Transmission of electric charge. An electrically charged object can produce a charge on another object by contact or by induction. If two big balls suspended by a silk thread are touched with a charged glass rod, they fly apart and away from the rod. If the rod has negative charge, some of the excess electron pass on the big balls so that they also become negatively charged, and the like charges repel each other. When an object with a positive charge make contact with which electricity is electrically neutral, some electron pass from the uncharged to the charged body so that the both are left with the deficiency. Thus, a charge produced by contact is of the same nature as the original charge. It should be noted that it is always the electron that move, the protons being firmly held within the central nuclei of the atoms. Electrostatic induction. Now we will talk about electrostatic induction. Induction may be defined as a production of electric or magnetic properties in one object by another without contact between them. So electrostatic induction is production of a static electrical charge in one object by another without contact between them. Other forms of induction are magnetic and electromagnetic induction, which are considered in subsequent chapters. If a negatively charged object is brought close to but not in contact with one which is electrically neutral, electrons strive to pass from the former to the latter. They move to the side of the charged object adjacent to the neutral one, and their influence causes a rearrangements of the electrons neutral objects. They are repelled by the negative charge, leaving a positive charge on the side adjacent to the charged body and creating a negative one of the far side. If the neutral object is now connected to the earth, the electrons are repelled to the earth, which continues an inexhaustible reservoir of the electron, and the object is left with a positive charge. यहाँ तक हमारा टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो गया है। न्यू वीडियो में न्यू कंटेंट डिस्कस करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।